Start off by going to the top left and click Export. If you want to rename the file, you can simply click on file name, then change it wherever you want. You can also change the file location if you like, by simply pressing on the blue text, then selecting the location you want to save the file to, and click Save. Now expand preset. I recommend choosing high quality 1080p, as this gives us a wide color space and good quality, but this might take up some file size. So if file size is a concern to you, I recommend adaptive low bitrate or adaptive medium bitrate. On format, make sure to choose H264 in order to get the video into a MP4 file. Now if you really don't care about file size and just want pure quality, then expand video, go to more, then check use maximum render quality and render at maximum depth. All that is left to do now is to click on the export button to render our video. You can now find the video in the location we saved it in earlier.